Over to India's Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh, who has said that attempts to change the status quo in our northern borders have significantly increased complexities in security situation. Referring to the situation along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, the Navy Chief said that the Indian Navy surveillance aircraft P-81 and Heron drones are deployed in the region, and the naval aircraft held several sorties along the line of actual control. Admiral Singh also added that Navy's activities doing in close coordination with the Army and the Indian Air Force. The Navy Chief also said that the force is alive to various threats in the maritime domain, including from China, and is fully ready to deal with them. Admiral Singh further said that they have an SOP ready to tackle the situation if there is an infringement by the Chinese research vessels.
We've been using it for surveillance over the seas. It has certain equipment which can be used over the borders, and based on the requirements of the Army and Air Force, we had deployed the P-8I several locations during this particular situation. We've also deployed the male, that is the Heron, from one of the northern bases.
For more details, let's quickly go across to WION's principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us live at this hour from New Delhi. Siddhant, considering the naval version of the BrahMos missile was successfully test fired on Tuesday, and going by the Navy Chief's comments, how well equipped is India's Navy to handle any threats in the maritime domain?
Well, India is considered as a major security partner in this region, and entire 2020 saw how India was able to reach out when it comes to COVID crisis, when it comes to security threat. We know when it comes to the COVID crisis, India had launched the Mission Sagar 1 and 2, the Mission Sagar 1 focusing on COVID aid when it comes to medicine and food to Indian Ocean countries, 5 Indian Ocean countries. And when it comes to Mission Sagar 2, it was Africa. But by and large, it is the China worry that is something that is being talked about, the significant presence of China in the Indian Ocean region. Approximately around 450 Chinese vessels are present in the Indian Ocean region, and these fishing vessels, of course, are present in the international waters. But by and large, India has also stepped up its efforts, not only when it comes to it being a security provider, but also engaging with other countries. We know there have been 13 bilateral and multilateral exercises in this year, including, of course, the Malabar exercises, in which India invited the Australians, which, of course, is seen as a significant geopolitical moment.
Right. It's interesting that you mentioned the growing Chinese threat in the maritime domain as well, something that has also been referred to by the Navy Chief today. How crucial is the Navy's role in preventing China's misadventure in the Indian Ocean?
Well, this was the annual briefing, and 90% of questions were on China's presence, and the Navy Chief talked about how India is taking measure with like-minded partners, of course the bilateral exercises component, but by and large there were questions on the LAC situation as well. And as you just mentioned, how he mentioned that the security situation has become more complex, with China trying to change the status quo at the line of actual control. But India's Navy has played a key role in making sure that any misadventure can be thwarted. In fact, one question was asked that whether the Chinese were planning to do some kind of misadventure, but of course there wasn't any answer because the situation is still ongoing. But the Chinese will not try to engage with India in Indian Ocean, given Indian Ocean is seen as India's backyard, and last few months have seen India engaging with bilateral exercises as well with partners like the US, with Australia, and of course Malabar exercises. And we do expect India to step up engagement. And of course, we know recently a trilateral happened between India, Sri Lanka and Maldives, and the focus is that there can be, of course, a trilateral exercises between these 3 countries. So by and large, it is coming together of like-minded countries to thwart any Chinese misadventure in the Indian Ocean. That remains the top focus we know Indian Ocean is a closed ocean, unlike the Pacific and the Atlantic. There are a few choke points. Most important, of course, is the Malacca Straits, and if that is blocked, that can, of course, hurt China significantly, given the fact that China gets its significant oil from West Asia through those choke points and, of course, Straits of Malacca.
Right. Thank you, Siddhant, for bringing us all those inputs.